Today, after coming back to Hyderabad, I'm really very happy now because मेरे को याद है when I came first time, it was not very long ago. I told people my feeling and I told them what is the meaning of the beauty shop and meaning for the male or female both, because used to be before male separate or the female are separate. But it was the Western world who has given the guidance to the world. I have seen this Western world, and then I want to do in my own country now, whatever it is now. एंड मैं शान के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि आज हमारी ब्यूटी हमारे साथ में भी है. ये हमारे लिए नहीं, दुनिया के लिए एग्जाम्पल है यहाँ पर करने के लिए, बिकॉज दे रिप्रेजेंट देमसेल्फ नाउ. और ये एक शानदार फीलिंग ब्यूटी शॉप इंडस्ट्री के ऊपर भी देती है, बिकॉज वहाँ पर आप ये यहाँ की अंदर ब्यूटी होती है और बाहर के जो आप करते हैं वो हम लोग करते हैं. The guideline for the hair styling and beauty has crossed many services again in the world, because काफ़ी चीज़ें ऐसा था कि मैनिक्योर कई दफ़ा मेल नहीं कराते थे, पेडिक्योर लोग नहीं कराते थे, वो that is a long history. But I think Hyderabad is a place, the people are very good, the food is also very good, and especially now today I'm happy that I brought all the beauty together in the salon, I think. And my grandson is also, I think all these are the main people, main pillar what they are understanding and doing very well now, very smart people now. So I have, लेकिन मैं बड़े क्वेश्चन हस्बैंड वाइफ से पूछता रहता हूँ. मैंने इनसे पूछा था कि बिटवीन द हस्बैंड एंड द वाइफ हु इज डिक्टेटर, तो हस्बैंड वहीं बैठे थे, उनका नहीं यही है यहाँ पर करने के लिए. आई थिंक ये सारे ज़िंदगी के पार्ट हैं जिसमें आप ग्लैमर डालते तो बात कुछ नहीं होती. दो अल्फाज होते हैं जिसके अंदर वट एवर द लैंग्वेज यू स्पीक, बट आई थिंक उसके अंदर ये खूबसूरती को बखेरना ये आपका काम. ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू. ओके, हैव अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज दे हैव टू रन द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. बोलो.
Hi everybody, and everybody from Hyderabad has been very welcoming to us, and that is the reason why we are completing so many doors. We are opening so many doors in Hyderabad, and I thank all of you for showing that trust towards the brand. And it is all because of our team, our master franchisees, and all the sub franchisees who are aligning with the vision of Mr. Habib and the way we want to take the wellness industry on the top. And I again want to say thank you to everybody for being here and to be welcoming.
Hello everyone, I'm Niharika Sood, your Miss Universe Telangana 2024, and it's an honor to be here today at the grand launch of Habib's at Miapur. I feel Habib's, we all know, is a well-renowned name in the beauty industry as well as hairstyling. So this is a very luxurious place, I would say. If you want to get any of the hair and beauty services, it has got a huge name in the industry to be providing the best services and using the best products for you as well. So from my experience, it has always been an amazing experience getting services from here. And I would like to congratulate everyone in the Habib's team because this is a huge milestone. They are doing great in the industry, and that's why now they have 22 outlets in Hyderabad, which is a huge achievement, I would say. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And I'm wishing you all the success and a bright future ahead as well. So keep making people confident.
Welcome to the grand opening of Habib Salon. As Niharika mentioned, this is our 22nd salon, and we provide all kind of services with hair, beauty, nails, and please do come and have a great experience at Habib's.